I am Thomas Oppenlander. We are here at Hubel Grapes Estates in Niagara-on-the-Lake. We have been using Pristine on our farm for 6 years now. The two main diseases that we go after with Pristine is powdery mildew and downy mildew, but it also has properties on botrytis, which is always a concern on our tender white varieties. With Pristine, actually, my guys get a smile on their face as soon as I have the product in the chemical storage, because they know how easy it is to use. And actually what ends up happening is we allow a certain time to spray, and they generally get it done faster, because mixing is easy, and the use of it never clogs up filters. It just runs very, very well. Some of the excellent things we've seen with Pristine are that our vineyards actually green up after use. And one example is that my brother did not know where I had sprayed it, but he could point out where it has been done, because the vineyard looked better within a couple of days of it. You know, we were delayed by a couple of rain days and we didn't get everything done, and you could literally tell where it hadn't been sprayed and where it had been sprayed. Overall, I think it makes it handle the stress of the season better. Some of the excellent benefits that we've seen is basically that the plant is more vital, it's more resistant to stress that the climate will throw at it. It actually goes beyond heat, because actually the climatic factors here can be from one day to another different. We can have heat one day and cold the next day. It just seems to be handling that period of time very, very well. So with Pristine, we get two modes of action, and the importance of two modes of action is actually resistance control. With two modes of action, when you go after a disease, you actually encapsulate the whole disease and actually deal with what's happening in your vineyard and eradicate it and get it out of there, versus some other modes of action that are just singular and may not get all of it out of your vineyard at the point in time when you're using it. I use Pristine because I know it works. Absolutely. Without reserve, I will recommend Pristine to any grower that asks me.